In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Yahoo Mail not receiving emails. If you're having trouble with new emails not appearing in your Yahoo Mail inbox, don't worry. We'll go through some steps to identify and resolve common issues. First, let's start by logging into your Yahoo Mail account. Navigate to the Yahoo login page and enter your Yahoo email address. Once you've done that, click on the Next button to proceed. You'll then be prompted to enter your password. Type it in and then hit Next again to access your mailbox. Now that you're logged in, one of the most straightforward checks you can do is to explore your spam or trash folders. Sometimes legitimate emails can mistakenly be sent to these folders due to filtering errors or overly aggressive spam filters. So, take a moment to see if any of your missing emails have landed there. Another possibility is that email filters which you might have set up at some point are redirecting messages to other folders or automatically deleting them. To examine any active filters, head to your account settings by clicking the gear icon in the upper right corner and then select More Settings. Once you're in the settings, look to the left panel and select Filters. Here you'll find a list of all the filters currently applied to your incoming mail. Review each entry carefully. If you spot any filters that might be causing issues or that you no longer need, don't hesitate to modify or remove them. This step can be an effective way to ensure that important emails are not being silently whisked away. Next, let's examine your email quota. Yahoo Mail provides a certain amount of storage, and if your inbox is full or nearing its limit, new emails might not be getting through. To check your storage status, go to the settings again and click on More Settings. Look for the storage meter at the bottom of your inbox page. If this display shows that you're near or over the storage capacity, it's time for a little inbox cleanup. Consider deleting some old emails or, if necessary, upgrading to more storage space. By following these steps, you'll have tackled some of the most common reasons why emails might not be appearing in your Yahoo Mail inbox, whether it be adjusting filters, checking your spam folders, or managing your storage quota. You've now got the tools needed to ensure smooth email communication. Peace of mind is just a few clicks away, and I hope this guide has helped you solve your email reception woes. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our channel for more helpful tech tips and guides.